Hello friends, welcome to your favorite channel Acquire IAS. Today we are going to discuss a topic on United States trade representatives, why it was in news and what are the reasons behind it. Okay, so without getting late, we'll start. So before that, I'd like to tell you one thing, that you can download the short notes of The Hindu from the given descriptions. Okay, you can download the Hindu notes. Okay, so we'll start now. Our today's topic is United States trade representatives. Why it was in news? Because it has been released a report which is called Special 301 report, and in that report India remains in the priority list. Okay, for this reason it was in the news. So what is meant by this priority watch list? Okay, we'll see this. So the priority watch list, that is, when a country is not giving an adequate safety and security to the innovators in terms of IPRs, and it is known as priority watch list, then the US will keep this as a priority watch list, not the USTR, United States Trade Representatives. Okay, you can see here the definition we have clearly, that is, a priority foreign country is a worse classification given to foreign countries that deny adequate, effective protection of intellectual property rights or fair and adequate market access to US persons relying upon the IPR protection under the Trade Act, which is clearly mentioned in the Trade Act. Okay, means in short we can say that those countries which are not giving the safety and security to the intellectual property right, and those countries can be kept under the United States trade representatives under the priority list. Okay, so next we will see further that India's concerns, why India continue to be in the priority list. The reason is lack of adequate intellectual property rights. Second one is right protection and enforcement. Okay, it was said by the report itself, said in the report. Okay, next we'll see forward. The India remained one of the most challenging economics for IP enforcement and protection. Okay, and along with India there are other countries too which are kept under priority list. Those countries are Algeria, Argentina, Chile, China, Indonesia, Russia, Saudi Arabia, Ukraine, Venezuela. Okay, so these are all countries which are included in the priority watch list. Okay, but here one thing we should note, that India has been made many efforts to get progress in this year. Okay, as compared to previous years. Okay, to enhance the IPN enforcement in the some of the areas past years. Okay, and this special 301 report first published in the 1989. You should remember this year, and one more thing you should remember here, that UPSC will ask such kind of questions. India has not been improved any sort of any angle, any aspect, any element. Okay, in any element. So it is wrong statement, because India has been gainfully improved its stance. Okay, in many ways. So now we will see what are the concerns behind this. So that is, innovators being not able to receive the receive maintenance. Okay, maintenance and enforcement patents, particularly in the pharmaceutical sectors. Okay, copyrights issue, incentivizing and creations, commercialization of the contents. Okay, outdated secret frameworks. Okay friends, so these are all the lacunae in the Indian laws. So that's why India is behind, India is in the priority list. Okay, and what the other reason is, that is high custom duties on medical devices and information and communication technology. It is given by the report. Okay, these reasons are given by the report. Okay, so we should see about this. What are the steps can the Indian government should do That is, first of all, we should update the outdated frameworks. Okay, so it is not easy to compete with the most rapid technologies, and India is one of the fastest emerging economy in this world, and we should not deal with such kind of outdated links. Okay, so by this I'd like to end this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do subscribe for Acquire IAS for more updates. Thank you very much.